All right, I want to introduce you to a new sight word.
How about wood?
All right, now.
Good. When?
Where?
This is
No.
where.
What?
Like,
almost
where,
like where.
are you going?
Where are you going?
Spell the word.
Where?
W
H-E-R-E.
H-E-R-E.
All right, now what letter's missing?
E.
Now what's missing?
E-R-E.
Now what's missing?
R. No, E-R-E.
E-R-E.
Now what letter's missing?
H-E-R-E.
Now what's missing?
W-E-H-E-R-E.
Okay, now I want you to write that word.
Yay.
Where?
You got it to me, I think. That one? Where?
Okay, start it over here so you have enough room. Where?
I had fun in Kansas City. It
Right.
was a little bit sewing.
We'll talk about it on our way out. But where? All right, you guys got it. Now run your finger underneath and read the words. Look at the letters as you read the word.
Where? Where? What?
Where?
You got it. Put your tops on because I want to show you a new game. And we're going to keep practicing our sight words. Yes, to practice your sight words. Because sometimes when you read a book, you have to know your sight words in a snap,
Yeah.
okay? When you see it, you have to
looks
know
like
it.
a fun game.
So this is going to be the game. Now, you are going to pull out a word and you're going to read it. But this is kaboom. If you pull out
Miss Hutchins.
kaboom, then you have to put
Miss Hutchins,
all of
This
them
is Miss
back.
Finn's.
Oh, okay.
I saw it.
Okay, cool.
When you-
And this
when
is
you had to go somewhere.
when you
I
had
had to put all
when
of
you
them
had
back.
pie time.
It's over.
All right, so we
No,
have
it's not pie.
1 minute to play this
We
game.
had to go to mean.
Oh, okay, so you have 1 minute to play this game. We're gonna see who gets the most at the end.
heart's
If you
beating
take
now.
out kaboom, then you are going to put it back.
Back.
Okay?
No.
I have to close my eyes.
You have a minute left. No, just take it out.
Kaboom.
All right.
I'm ready.
Some.
Kaboom. I'm kidding.
Go.
I keep on getting kaboom.
There's that other kaboom, I think. Want.
Oh, what is that word?
Want. What?
That's
What? No. What?
Mm-hmm. Remember that sight word we practiced yesterday? What is it?
What? And we have
What? What? Like,
Remember?
what is your name?
Please don't kiss.
Got like about 10 seconds left.
What? And we can play again.
Tomorrow?
No.
Hurry.
Oh, time's up. All right. So you had the most at the end. Would you guys like to play this next time?
Yeah.